Do you want to tag all followers on the Facebook page? You mention everyone who liked your business page with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to tag all followers on your Facebook page. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Tagging all followers on a Facebook page allows you to mention all people who liked your page in a single post or comment. Tagging followers can increase engagement with your content. When people are tagged, they receive a notification, which can increase the post by liking, commenting, or sharing it. To tag all followers on the Facebook page. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, navigate to your Facebook business page. Decide where you want to tag everyone on your page. You can mention someone in your post or a comment. If you're creating a new post, tap the "What's on your mind" box to start writing your post. If you're commenting on an existing post, tap the comment box of a post. Remember that you can only do it once a day. So, please be careful, otherwise, you need to wait another day. Now, you can add a caption and photo. Type that to tag all people who liked your page. As you type, Facebook will suggest a list of people and pages along with a followers option. From here, select followers to tag everyone who liked your business page. Once you finish tagging everyone you want to mention, you can publish your post by tapping the post button. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.